Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about a stock in which Dolly Khanna has made a new entry during the June quarter. Her holding in the same stands at 1.48% currently. Now this is a small cap stock and this was also a high conviction bet of Porinju Veliyath a few years back. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Ceylon Exploration Technology Limited, which is available at 198.10 and the face value for this stock is 10. The symbol for it is SELAN. Now Ceylon Exploration Technology Limited is engaged in the business of exploration and production of oil and natural gas. As you would see from the 1-year chart, the stock has not been a huge wealth creator. Now after Porinju put forward this stock as one of his ideas, the stock had zoomed, but when the oil prices started falling a few years back, the stock also severely underperformed. The market cap of the company is 324.88 crores, which means the company is a small cap one. The company is available at a price to earnings ratio of 14.73, which is a bit more expensive compared to the industry PE of 11.36. Also, the company is available at a price to book ratio of 1.10, which is not very expensive. The company has a debt to equity of 0.0012, whereas the return on equity for this company is 0.0765. The company has a dividend yield of 2.52, which is decent, whereas the promoter holding is below average at 27.89. Now friends, a few words of caution. This is currently a very small holding in Dolly Khanna's portfolio. Hence, we must be very careful not to just go ahead and jump in just because she has done so. Also friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. This and all of the content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so.